try to chase away the goshaw. There's the buzzard again. There's the buzzard.
It's not easy to find birds to photograph in the winter, and I take myself stressing to find new species to photograph. Where is the fun in that? This day I drove all over the place to look for new birds to photograph, but I ended up at the river waiting for the dipper once again. And I thought to myself while listening to the calming water flow, this is what it is about. Enjoy the contrast of my daily life and use my creative skill to make a new way to capturing the beauty of nature.
I had to film a little bit with my phone because I saw a dipper on the river that I photographed before, and I couldn't help myself because there's a lot of water in the river right now, so the stream is really hard, and I thought maybe if I can sneak down there. I didn't get the time and didn't dare to take my vlogging camera with me, but if I sneak down I could probably try to photograph it with slow shutter speed to get that water flowing. It's always nice to do that kind of shots there. The dipper didn't care about me, and I managed to sneak all the way to the shore, and the dipper is gone now. I can hear it though, but the dipper is gone now. And I got some cool shots. I think so. I think I got some cool shots. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. It's not good. It's not good here. I need to get in a different spot. Okay. Even though I had decided earlier today that I didn't want to photograph the dipper, maybe find some new birds, I didn't find any, and this is so nice and available with the dipper not being scared of me. So yeah, I couldn't help myself. So I reckon this is better than nothing.
After the dipper disappeared for an hour, I decided to go home.
I'm in the blind again. So it happened, the thing that I didn't expect it, and that was that we would have snow again. So after it melted away, totally away, and it was like only like 6 to 10 degrees, I would not expect that suddenly we would have -5 and snow again. So therefore I had to go out to this blind here and see if I can photograph the birds of prey again. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. I'm waiting and I'm hoping that something will happen. The forecast yesterday was actually snow in the air, but today it's clear sky, so it can be a challenge when the sun is getting a little bit higher on the sky though. But anyway, yeah, waiting time. There is a rough-legged buzzard sitting in that tree, maybe 300 meters from me. And this looks like an adult one. Looks so beautiful. It's just sitting there and scouting right now. And I feel I almost can't breathe, not scared it away. Okay. Trying to stretch out my legs. There is a goshawk. Beautiful goshawk right now. Great start this morning. I don't know if you could hear that, but there was another goshawk chasing the other one away. All of a sudden, the memory card failed. It's okay now though, but I changed the memory card. But right when the action happened, It is a bit tight with 600mm, but yeah, have a look. I need to make really slow movements. The goshaw or any birds of prey, they have so great eyesight. What I'm hoping for now is, the reflected buzzard to come back before the sun gets too hard. It's always challenging to photograph, especially now when I have a little bit of the side light. So it's really challenging to, photograph in full sun though.
Suddenly the rough-legged buzzard was back and I prepared myself for an attack. For a second there I lost focus and I panicked a little bit.
The rough-legged buzzard just try to chase away the goshaw, and it's now that I'm a little bit sad that I had a 600mm because that was too close. But anyway,